It's real. It's actually real. Oh my gosh, it's real. Sorry, I was rehearsing. Alright, let's get started. Welcome back, everybody. In this video, we're gonna draw Super Saiyan 3 Super Saiyan Rosé Goku Black. Wait, what? That's real? Super Saiyan 3 Rosé is real? No one ever told me that! Someone put a reminder. Someone should have put a comment below on that. Oh, wait. I've been wanting to draw this character before. Since yesterday. Okay, I'm still trembling here. Anyways, according to fandom, Goku Black Super Saiyan 3 Super Saiyan Rosé was just fan-made. They even posted it in Dragon Ball Fighters. I didn't think it was real at first, but thanks to the magical power of Super Dragon Ball Heroes, they managed to bring it to life. How impossible is that? That's so amazing of them. Thanks, SDBH Heroes. Can't wait to see Super Saiyan Rosé Goku Black in action. Okay, here we go, folks. Let's get started. Okay, so seeing this guy in action, it's amazing. Sort of awesome. Okay, so when drawing Super Saiyan Rosé 3, well, I know we're supposed to be drawing Super Saiyan Rosé 3 Goku, but we're drawing the Super Dragon Ball Heroes version of him. And drawing this guy in action, this is gonna be so exciting. Such a blast. There we go. When drawing Super Saiyan 3 Goku Black, you must start with the hair. The Super Saiyan 3 Rosé hair. Well, Super Saiyan 3, that's based on its design. It's, well, Super Saiyan 3 represents the lion's mane, but I didn't think the lion's mane would fall into the wrong hands, especially to a Supreme Kai like Zamasu. No offense, Zamasu, I'm a big fan, but let's just face it, your Zero Morals planet's really horrible. Don't tell him I said that. Besides, he'll find me. You remember when I drew Goku Black and Zamasu fused in a Super Saiyan Rosé form, and in their Great 8 forms? That was horrible, but really exciting, though, at the same time. Okay, so here's his robe here. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
There's his hand here. Alexa, what is Super Saiyan Rosé 3?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, Super Saiyan 3 is the third milestone of power that a Saiyan can achieve after reaching Super Saiyan. Only a small handful of Saiyans have ever reached this level. Did that answer your question?
No!
Thanks for your feedback.
Alexa, what is Super Saiyan Rosé?
Super Saiyan Rose is a Super Saiyan form unique to Goku Black in the Dragon Ball manga series.
Seen that form in action? Super Saiyan 3 and Super Saiyan Rosé? That's a horrifying fusion combo. There we go. There's his hair. There we go. There's his other hand. There we go, there's his body. And last but not least, the one thing that scares me most, the dark, evil aura that surrounds him. Oh man, I really hate this form. Seriously, I'd rather have Goku Super Saiyan Blue turn Super Saiyan 3, not this. Let's just hope Super Saiyan 4 Rosé is better. And speaking of Super Saiyan Rosé 4, my buddy Ty has this idea for Super Saiyan Rosé 4. I can't wait to see Goku Black take on a new form like this, because that'd be way better. And there. That's how you draw Super Saiyan Rosé 3, Super Saiyan Goku Black. Well, Zeno Goku Black. This is the Super Saiyan Dragon Ball Heroes version. Ugh, man. Anyways, I'm glad you guys finally got to see this guy. Because, well, Super Saiyan Rosé 3 is really popular. And I know you guys wanted to have the chance to draw him, and here you go. I've finally done it. Anyways, that's how you draw Goku Black Super Saiyan Rosé 3. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe. And leave a comment below on what awesome character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. And let the Zero Mortal plan begin. Shut up, Goku Black!